Hey guys, we received this whiteboard sticker adhesive 24 by 36 inches magnetic dry erase board paper for wall, refrigerator or any other place. So this one actually a big roll of a whiteboard sheet and it have a adhesive and the magnet on the back. So you can put or you can use as like a sticker thing and put it on some wall or somewhere, or you can also use it as the magnet thing and put it on the refrigerator. So you can also cut the roll if you want to, but I will just show you like the thing. So it's a really big roll, 24 by 36 inches, and it comes with this accessory thing as well. So you can see like the roll thickness and good is really a nice quality thing here. So this one is the magnetic side or the sticker side, whatever you want to use for. And then have this the whiteboard sheet on here. So this comes with this supplied dry erase markers. So you can see it here. So this is all the accessories that comes with it. So dry erase markers, some of these magnetic beads, and then uh, so these beads are also magnetic. So this comes with all the accessories, and the good thing is that or the eraser thing as well. The good thing is that it comes with this holder. You can see the magnetic holder that you can put and then put all the accessories as well. So because of the big size, if you get a really good wall or a big magnetic or the iron thing, so you have to just take out this sticker, and then this is the magnetic base. So you can see this is all magnetic and strong magnet. And so this also on the top side is a sticker as well. So you have to remove this protective layer to use this properly. So small eraser, white dry eraser, the small bits, and you have to just take this plastic sheet out so that you can use this white sheet, and then you can just write with this ribbon. So it's a really nice, you can see the very smooth writing, and then is easy to clean and reuse. So very nice whiteboard sheet which can be used with a good magnetic base, and you can cut based on your